I ran into a little dilemma. Right here where it's rounded, the sander does not want to follow the contour, any rounded surface. So I purchased this sanding pad. It's squishy. I'll put a link in the description. They supply a sanding disc on one side, and this will go onto your orbital sander. 1000 grit. This goes on here. Line up the holes. And now I'm going with an 80 grit. So the benefit of the pad, it will wrap around the corner. Very impressive. It got that whole curve, even up in here, down here. And for other areas where you can't fit a sander, get yourself a drywall sanding sponge. It's rough on one side, smoother on the other. It's got a bevel. It will also conform. Works well. So now we'll compare this one I just used to the new one. Now one thing I'd like to say is the grippy action on here is super excellent. I had to rip that pad off after sanding. This side as well. But I'm set up for a fresh sand here, so this is lightly on there. But the grippy action is excellent. It's too good. I had to apply a lot of force to get that off. So here's a comparison. They're both the same thickness. However, when I was using it, this squished up a bit and kind of stayed in that form for a while. However, it was under heavy abuse. I was really pushing down on it. But now that it's had some time, it's relaxed, it's back to its shape. I highly recommend this product. And if this one gives out on you, you can finish the job with this one. However, this one's still in perfect usable shape. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I hope this has helped someone. And if you'd like to watch the refinish of this tub and surround, I'll provide a link